Welcome back, everyone. Charlie Max here. So today we're going to be going over an exercise called bridges. Bridges is like a great exercise and can be done pretty much at any skill level. I'm going to go over the common mistake I see when people are doing bridges and a couple of variations that make bridges harder or how to engage your glutes more in this exercise. Bridges help develop your glute muscles, your hamstrings, and your transverse abdominis and rectus abdominis. So let's get right into it. What you're going to do is you're going to lay flat on your back and bend your knees at 90 degrees. Like so. You want your knees about hip width apart. You don't want them really far apart. You don't want them close together. Hip width apart. What you're going to do next is you're going to engage your transverse abdominis. So I'm going to do a pelvic tilt. So imagine these are this is my hips, and I'm going to tilt my hips up. So as you can see, my butt came off a little bit, and I'm a little bit more engaged here. From here, I'm going to squeeze my butt until my hips are in line with my shoulders and knees. And as you guys can see, my shoulders, my hips, and my knees are all in a straight line. So to review, pelvic tilt, squeeze that transverse abdominis, squeeze that lower rectus abdominis, and then push those hips up by squeezing your butt until your knees, hips, and shoulders are in line. Now, the couple variations to this exercise is you can do a one-legged bridge. What you're going to do is you're going to keep your thigh muscle the same length there, and you're just going to straighten up. You don't want them really high, don't want it low, you want it nice and even. So just imagine your leg is now straightened out at the normal position. Same again, your knees are about hip width apart. So same thing, I'm going to squeeze that transverse abdominis, and I'll go up, knees, hips, and shoulders are in line, come back down. Now if you're having a problem engaging your glute muscles, the variation you can do is use an ankle band. What we're going to do is you're going to put the ankle band on, and I'm going to put it above my knees, but also you can put it below your knees. Never put the resistance bands on joints, so you want to avoid putting the resistance band on that joint. So I'm going to do it above my knees, but you can also do this below your knees too. So I'm going to think about pushing my knees out, and this is going to help engage my core, but still we're going to have the same setup process. I'm going to do a pelvic tilt, and then I come up. As once again, my knees, hips, and shoulders are in line. There we go. So first things, push those knees out, engage that glutes, pelvic tilt, and come up. And there you go. This is going to help engage your glutes and help develop them if you're having trouble activating your glutes. Now, if you want to make this even more difficult, you can use weight. This is a 20-pound weight vest. I'm going to put this on my hips, but you could also use a plate, dumbbell, or bar, pretty much anything as long as it adds weight to your hips and it's comfortable for you. So you don't want to put this on your chest, you want to put this on your hips. So same thing, I'm going to do a pelvic tilt, and then push up and engage those glutes until my knees, hips, and shoulders are in line. Back down. Now if you really want to challenge yourself, you can do a one-legged bridge with weight. See if I can do this. It's going to be a little challenging. So knees, the legs straight out, knees are at the same distance, hip width apart, do a pelvic tilt, and come up. Back down. Alright? I hope this helps out a lot of people. This is a great exercise and it can be done pretty much at any skill level. These variations are great. I hope you guys enjoy them. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, please leave in the comment section below. If you guys have any ideas for future videos, please leave in the comment section below. And with that said, Charlie Max out.